Hi guys, today I'm going to be bringing you guys a video on how to speed up your internet. How about that? We're going to increase the bandwidth, and we're also going to be increasing the load time of whatever web page you're trying to view. So it's always good to make sure you go to speed check and test your speed right now, and then after we're done doing this you can test it again and see if you got any improvements out of it. I know I did. When I did it myself, I noticed about a 20% improvement or so, maybe a little more. But anyways, guys, also take note that we are going to be using Registry Editor, and this is basically your computer's brain. Okay, I mean, if you delete anything in here or anything, you could cause your whole computer just to crash. So I'd advise you guys not to mess with anything in here. And if you guys want to do this, you guys can. If you don't, you don't have to, but it really does help. Anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to go down here to the start, and we're going to click start. And in the start bar, we're going to type reg edit, and then we're going to push enter on the keyboard, okay? And after you push enter, this window is going to pop up, your registry editor window, okay? And then from there, you can see I already have it open, but you're going to see a folder there that says HKey local machine, and next to it has an arrow. Go ahead and click that arrow right there, and it's going to pop up some more folders there, okay? And we're looking for a specific folder, and there's two spots that it can be in here, okay? One spot it could be in is under software, and then after you click software, there's going to be a policy folder right there. So click the down arrow on the policy, and after you click the down arrow on the policy folder, there's going to be a Microsoft folder there, and click the down arrow. And we are looking for a folder called PSC Head, H-E-D, PSC HED. And as you can see, that folder that we're looking for wasn't in that spot for me, and it might be there for you guys. But since it wasn't there for me, the other place you can look to see is you can go ahead and close out that software if it wasn't there. Just click the arrow to minimize everything that was in it, and then we're going to go into the system folder and click the down arrow on that. After you click the down arrow on that, you're going to come up with all these folders you see here, and yeah, I did just click that and it got smaller, but you're looking for the folder that says current control set, okay? So go ahead and click the down arrow on the current control set folder, and then you're going to pop up with all these in there under current control set, okay? And then under there, we're going to go to the services folder, and we're going to click the down arrow on the services folder. And then we're going to scroll through here, and these are in alphabetical order, by the way, or at least they should be. And we're going to scroll down to the P's, okay? And we're going to look for the folder we're wanting. So I'm going to go ahead and keep on scrolling, and okay, now we're getting into the P's. And the folder we are looking for is right there, PSC HED. Okay, that's the folder you want, okay? And then within this folder on the right hand side over here, you're gonna see all these weird looking things, alright? Well, don't worry about too many of them, but the one you want to look for in specific is one right here. It says non-best effort limit. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's called non-best effort limit, okay? And what basically we're gonna do here, if that's in there, is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna right click or left click on it first to highlight it, then we're gonna right click it and click modify, and then we're gonna set our hexadecimal and our decimal values to 0, and then we're gonna click OK. And now some of you guys may be going, well, that's not in there, I cannot find it, where's it at? Okay, well, that's no problem. As long as you're in this folder, guys, what you can do if you do not see that there is you can go ahead and right click just here on the white, go to new, and depending on your system, whether it's 32-bit or it's a 64-bit system, you're going to either go to DWORD 32-bit if you're running a 32-bit system, or QWORD 64-bit, alright? And since I'm on a 64-bit, I would create a 64-bit. So go ahead and click on it, depending on what bit your system is. And then what it's going to do is going to create a new entry in your registry, and then you're going to type non-best effort limit. And on each beginning of those words, you want it capitalized. So you want the N capitalized in non, you want the B capitalized in best, you want the E capitalized in effort, and you want the L capitalized in limit. And then after you do that, okay, go ahead and push enter, and then there you go, you created that non-best effort limit in there. So go ahead and after you're done there, left click on it, right click on it, click modify, and make sure both of the values are set to 0. And that right there should boost your loading time on web pages, improve your bandwidth, and all in all, it helped me. So I hope you guys like this video, and it helped you guys out too. And as always, you guys take care and have a good one. And please don't mess with anything else in here. You could totally just mess your computer up. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. Have a good one.